Hey guys, it's James from Kind Health again, and today's question is, how do I get cheap health insurance? Well, cheap is a relative term, and if you ask me, there is no cheap health insurance. It's all going to cost you. However, there are things that you can do to keep your cost down. So if cost, especially monthly cost, is your number one concern in the case of health insurance, something you could consider is getting a bronze plan that's HSA eligible. This will ensure that your premiums are the lowest and you could put away tax deductible dollars into a savings account that if you do have a medical related expense, then you could use that account to pay for it. If you don't have a medical expense, well, that will become a retirement vehicle for you when you reach the age of 59 and a half. So going with the bronze HSA eligible plan would be one way to keep your costs down, especially compared to, let's say, the equivalent carrier offering a gold plan with low deductibles and low copays. So you're spending a little more when you go see the doctor, but as far as month-to-month costs, you'd be able to keep it down by going that route. Another thing to consider is always compare plans one to another. If you use our website, kindhealth.co, you'll actually be able to look at plans offered by carriers side by side and figure out which one provides the best coverage for you at the lowest expense. So that's, again, another way to ensure that you're keeping your costs down as best you can. But at the end of the day, getting cheap health insurance, well, as long as healthcare costs are high, health insurance is going to be high. So it's going to be really hard to get a plan that's cheap per se. Last thing to consider is if you have low income, you may qualify for a subsidy through healthcare.gov. It may be worth checking out if you do make very little money each year. Otherwise, the best you can do is use our website and compare them side by side and maybe look towards bronze plans rather than higher metal tier plans like gold and silver. Hope that's been helpful. Again, if you've got questions, reach out to us on Twitter @KindCares or stay tuned to this YouTube channel.